Hello, I'm Aws Alawi, one of the neuroendovascular fellows at Swedish Neuroscience Institute. And here is what's happening at the Seattle Science Foundation this week. Professor Dr. Bernhard Meyer will discuss spine tumor management at our STED talk series on Wednesday morning. Dr. Enrique Alvarez from the University of Colorado will be our guest Thursday morning at our neurology grand rounds. And please join us Friday for the 9th annual Innovative Approach to Brain Tumor Management course. This course is targeted towards healthcare providers who manage and treat patients with brain tumors. Leading experts in the field will come together to discuss the future of brain tumor management, including the progress in personalized medicine and the implication of immunotherapy in specializing treatment. The design of this conference is to focus on the future of brain tumor therapy with the goal of improving treatment response rates, outcome, and overall patient care. As always, you can register for any of our courses at ssfcme.org. And thank you for supporting Seattle Science Foundation.